Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add multiple admins to Facebook group management step by step clearly. Open Facebook on your phone or computer and log into the account that is currently an admin of the group. Go to the left menu on desktop or the menu icon on mobile and tap or click Groups. Select the Facebook group where you want to add multiple admins. Make sure you are viewing the group as your main profile that already has admin permission. On desktop, find the Manage section or the left sidebar options inside the group. On mobile, tap the shield icon or the Manage button inside the group page. Locate and open the members list so you can see everyone in the group. Use the search bar in Members to find the first person you want to promote to admin. Confirm that this person is already a member of the group before continuing. Click or tap the three dots next to the member's name to open more actions. Choose the option that says Invite to be an admin or Add as admin. Read the permission message carefully because admins can fully manage the group. Tap Send Invite or Confirm to send the admin invitation. Repeat the same search process to find the second person you want to make an admin. Open the three dots menu next to their name and select Invite to be an admin. Continue this process for each additional person you want to add as an admin. If you do not see the admin option, verify that you are an admin and not only a moderator. If the person is not in the group yet, invite them to join first, then promote them after they join. To check pending admin invitations, go back to the Members or Admins and Moderators section. Look for any area that shows invited admins or pending invites depending on your interface. If someone does not receive the invite, ask them to check notifications and Messenger message requests. If needed, cancel a pending invite from the same admin management screen and resend it. After someone accepts, return to the Admins and Moderators section to confirm they appear as an admin. Set clear roles by deciding who will handle approvals, posts, member issues, and settings changes. For extra control, consider adding some people as moderators instead of admins when full access is not necessary. Review your group settings to ensure admin approval rules and posting permissions match your management plan. Test the workflow by asking a new admin to open group tools and verify they can access what they need. Keep your admin team limited to trusted people because admins can remove members, change settings, and even remove other admins. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.